Okay, at least we made it. Still have enough oil. And we have sanity potion. No. Okay, it's in here. Okay, we need to fix the sanity. Stare at the candlelight. And it's not working. Alright. Look at this. This is making me dizzy. Let's search the room. Piano. Okay, where we came from? Okay, we came from here. Okay. Now okay, let's check upstairs first. See what's up here. Oh.
I need to concentrate. I feel sometimes as though I'm becoming part of this place, or that I've always been here. The only idea that is clear to me is that the chapel holds my redemption. But this chapel, empty of the divine due to the resignation of God, fills me with dread. What could be present in this place instead of God? Why do I feel compelled forth? Why am I so certain that my salvation lies there?
Okay. Just that note. We have nothing. Okay, what do I have here? That seems to go outside, and what's in here? Goes down. Down. Out here. Of course, it's open. Cogwheels, and what's this? Machine configuration. Lever 3 configuration must always be down, 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 down. Configuration for levers 1 and 2 must align with their respective lever sets found in storage rooms. However, these levers can only be shifted when all 3 flow rods are installed correctly. So, we need to find the rods. Yeah. It says down, down, down. Down. Okay, let's find rods first. 2, 3, 3. Okay, 3 is down. 1 and 2 must align with their respective lever sets found in the storage rooms. Now, let's go find rods and the levers in the storage rooms. It's probably down here. Wait. Let's check the room in the middle. Let's go to the hall. See what we have here. Okay, creepy place. Flow cycle rod. Okay. The chapel. I was taught in my seminary that even demons fear the Lord, that they tremble before Him, and that in the name of Jesus Christ they can be driven out. I do not doubt the power of God, but I have come to doubt the strength of men. For there is a great evil among us. A demon has infiltrated our holy chapel and possessed Father Wilhelm. 6 months ago, he was preaching to a full audience in the chapel. Now he preaches only to himself in the foulest tongues you have ever heard. It was slow to begin with. He was simply more reserved in his preaching and in his disposition to the rest of us. But then his habits changed. He was eating less, sleeping less, and kept all to himself outside of services. Before long, he had removed himself entirely from the rest of the world. He locked himself in his quarters and admitted no one. We had to do something. God knows we had to do something. Okay, this long. So I arranged for a group of us to go around his quarters and break open the door. It was I, Lupus, and Philip, a young lad staying with us from a nearby town. We shouted to him to let us in, but as usual there was no reply. In theory, we had broken through the door. I am not skillful enough with a quill to bring about an adequate description of what I saw. Suffice to say, it was horrible. The room was a mess, everything was torn apart, there was blood, and in the center of the room stood Father Wilhelm, gazing at us through two gaping holes where his eyes should have been. Oh. His skin was pale as if he had been drowned in a river and left for days. There were deep cuts across his entire body and face. His hair was thin and weary, and his jaw hung loosely to one side as he stood swaying there for what seemed like an eternity. We were paralyzed. Not a sound was heard except for the dull drip of saliva falling from Father Wilhelm's mouth. Oh. Then he attacked us, strength unlike anything I have ever seen. Lupus was cut in two with a single swipe, and Philip's head snapped back with a short twist. I was spared, though I know not why. He took his spoils to the chapel, and that is where he has remained. The machinery for the door, for it is run mechanically, has been turned off, and the chains securely padlocked for extra measure. He hasn't broken through yet. What have we done to invite such evil onto this holy ground? What will become of us? Okay, I don't think we should run that machine. Do we need to run that machine? Oops. Looks like I'll need to get the castle's machine system running and find the key before entering the chapel. Ah! Do we need to get inside here? I want to see Father Wilhelm. Okay. It's a big padlock. Something down here. Wait. Let's see if there's something here. Oh! You open this. Open? Okay. No. Sometimes my gasp upon this reality weakens and I find myself slipping into another world. Okay, why did I jump down? Oh. What am I doing here? Don't stray from the torches. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I hate this. Ah! Uh-oh. Oh! Oh god. Hurry up! I know you. I know you. You're not getting me. I'm getting out of here. Up, up. Oh, okay. I don't want to go back in there. I must not surrender myself to the visions of that hopeless life. There is meaning and fate in this world. I can escape. Ulrich can save me. My mind has become weak, but I know Ulrich can save me. Is this laudanum? Okay, we're outside. Can we get out of here now? Okay, I don't want to go back into that. No, I don't want to go back in there. Okay. Guess we have no choice but to... Ooh, what's this? Oil. Okay. Ooh. Mechanical door key. This key should fit in the padlock. Wait, before we do that, I think we should go down here. Storage A. Sometimes my grasp upon this reality weakens and I find myself slipping into another world. I can't use my lamp. Why? Uh-oh. Now what? Uh-oh. Okay. Let's watch this. Okay, is this the past? Why are we in the water? I don't like this place. Water means water monster. Okay. No. Where are we going? Okay. Is there something here we can use? Oh man. No. Oh, what's this? No. Okay, we're safe, I think. Okay, now. Ah! What's this? Ah, rod. And a key. Secret key. And... okay, there's two. Lever configuration in storage A. Down, up, 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 label 2. Do we need to go back? Okay, I thought we're safe. Is there a shortcut here? I need shortcut. Okay, let's go. Ah. Damn it! Why? Keep out of the water. Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Oh, jeez.
Oh God. I'm sure it's dead. I can't be a doctor. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, at least we made it. Still have enough oil. And we have sanity potion. No. Okay, it's in here. Okay, we need to fix the sanity. Stare at the candlelight. And it's not working. It's just that note. We have nothing. Okay, what do I have here? That seems to go outside, and what's in here? Goes down. Down. Out here. Of course, it's... Oh! Okay, we came from... here, okay. Now... okay. Let's check upstairs first. See what's up here. Oh. Alright. Look at this. This is making me dizzy. Let's search the room. Piano. Okay, where we came from?
Need to concentrate. I feel sometimes as though I'm becoming part of this place, or that I've always been here. The only idea that is clear to me is that the chapel holds my redemption. But this chapel, empty of the divine due to the resignation of God, fills me with dread. What could be present in this place instead of God? Why do I feel compelled forth? Why am I so certain that my salvation lies there?
Okay.